Hey babes, what's up? It's Lorena. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are new. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys 3 outfit ideas for New Year's outfits. Now, if you're like me, you get super stressed about what to wear because you're gonna be starting the year in this outfit, so you gotta be looking good. So I have 3 different options for all my girls out there. I have a very sexy option, I have one that's very sparkly and fun, and then the last one is more of like a fashion statement but still very cute and very comfortable. So I hope you guys enjoy these outfits, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright you guys, so we are going from PJs to full glam, and bibbidi bobbidi boo, here we are. This is outfit number 1 and I call it La Mala de la Novela, or I guess you could translate it to the villain of a soap opera. In this outfit, I am wearing an olive bandage dress from Fashion Nova. My nude heels are from Steve Madden and they are super comfortable for wearing the entire night while walking and dancing around. I accessorized with gold party beads and a 2020 headband just to make it fun and festive. To finish off this outfit, I added an off-white faux fur coat from Forever 21 and it just keeps you nice and warm wherever you're going. Now we have outfit number 2, and this is such a fun and sparkly option. The silver sequin set is from Fashion Nova as well. My white booties are from Target and I think they are a lot funner than black booties. And I just added some simple golden hoops because the outfit is already super sparkly and fun. You don't need much more for it. Love this. This is outfit number 3. I call this the Pink Fashionista. The pink sparkly mock neck top I'm wearing is from Burlington Coat Factory. The pink fringe skirt is from BCBG Max Azaria. And my pink pom-pom booties are from Miss Lola. I also added a little pink fringe necklace from Charming Charlie's. It's a super cute look and I love this tone of pink. I love the fringe on the skirt and it's just so super fun for a night of dancing and having fun. I of course added on the 2020 headband just to be festive. So you guys, those are my 3 options. I hope these outfits inspire you to find something in your wardrobe or run last minute to the mall and get something to wear, because again, it's the start of the year. And not only that, it's like the start of a new decade. But yeah, you guys, I hope you found some really great fashion inspiration. I would love to see your outfits. Comment down below, let me know what you think I should wear this new year. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I hope to see you in the new year. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button down below so you can be subscribed to see all my new content, and also hit the notifications bell so you can be notified every time I upload straight to your device. That's it for me. I wish you guys a very, very happy new year, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.